Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this gorgeous Kawasaki ER6-N. So this one being the N, it is the naked version. They do the F and they do the N. The N's really the more popular bike. This one's a 2016 on a 66 plate and it's done just 10,106 miles from new. It is the ABS version. It's got the paddock stand bobbins down there. It's got the SHAD top box rack. So if you've got a SHAD top box at home, that'll just clip straight onto that. It's got a little screen. It's got a radiator guard as well. But these are just a really, really, really good all-round bike. So they're A2 compatible as well, so if you do want to restrict it down for an A2 license, you can, and it's dead easy to do on these as well. And yeah, they're a super popular seller and a really, really, really good bike. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.